So hello guys. So may i-rescue natin to guys. So 200 cc FI guys. So ang problema ng customer dito guys is walang minor at saka namamatay, tapos nag-check engine yung ilaw niya guys dito guys. So i-check natin guys. Ayan guys, nag-check engine, tapos walang minor. Ayan guys, namamatay. So i-scan natin to guys. So gamit tayo ng scanner. Ayan guys, so dapat naka-on to guys. Check natin to kung anong problema guys. So yung problema niya guys is heater control circuit, circuit low, bank 1, sensor 1. So ito yung problema niya guys. So i-check natin yung oxygen sensor niya guys. So ito yung guys, sensor 1, bank 1, oxygen sensor guys, dito kalagay sa muffler. So i-check natin dito guys is yung resistance niya guys, kung mayroong problema. So pag check dito guys is ito yung dalawang white, ito yung input at saka output, at saka itong kulay gray, ito yung voltage niya guys. Ito yung pumupunta sa ECU guys, kasi ito daw yung nag-command ng paano kung ilang gasolina yung kulang ba or kailangan dagdagan. At saka ito yung black guys is yung ground. So i-check natin yung resistance niya kung meron. So ito guys, gamit tayo ng voltmeter. So i-set natin sa 200 ohms. So i-check natin yung dalawang wire guys.
Kapiteng!
Melo.
Yung i-check natin is yung dalawa guys.
Stoy!
So wala guys.
Ha?
Bidyan ako. So walang lumalabas na ohms guys. So check natin sa continuity guys, continuity. So guys, wala talaga guys. So imposible talaga guys na ito yung sira guys. Yun, oxygen sensor. Ito. So, kuha tayo ng pangbalit dito guys.
Kanina lang gidala ya.
O, personal ako na.
Pag Domingo sana.
Kumpanya. Oh.
Milo.
Ayan guys, 8.4. Ayan guys, so okay to guys.
Bisa?
Tanggalin natin to guys. Tsaka gamit tayo ng 22. So dito guys, so i-delete natin tong error na guys. Ayan, engine. So, walang trouble code guys. So, nawala na din yung check engine nya guys. So, itry natin mag-start. Wala natin tapos on. Ayan guys, nawala na yung check engine nya guys. Start natin. So, ito guys. Tapos na nating i-test drive guys. So may minor na guys. Guys, good na goods talaga guys.